Here's a Hotpoint Aquarious CTD 00. It's a reverse action condenser tumble dryer. I found it outside a house and asked the lady if I could take it, and she said absolutely. I said, is there anything wrong with it? And she said, no, it is working, but it's rubbish. It doesn't work very well, it doesn't dry clothes very well. So let's have a look at what that could be. Up in the top you've got your water drawer. It's empty, so they're emptying that. And then in here you've got a filter, which is pretty dirty, but not very much. It looks like it is being cleaned, but in here it's nasty. It's pretty nasty. So that's one reason. If all that was clean, it would probably work more efficiently. But down here, this is the condensing unit where hot air and cold air flow over one another. You open those three clips and put your finger in here and pull this out. On the face of it, it's clean enough. Well, even on the face of it, it's not that clean. Some of it's clean. Those passages in there you can see are clean. From the back, it looks quite clean. But on the front, in here, you can just see that there is no way for air to move through there. It is solid. It's absolutely solid. Like there's a pair of earrings or something by the looks of it down there as well, just for hilarity's sake. You know, that's probably the problem. So we'll get this cleaned up and see what it looks like when it's clean, to compare dirty to clean. And what I've just noticed down here on the front of the dryer, it gives you very specific dates throughout the year for which that you should clean this heat exchange unit. It's pretty simple instructions, just says pour a jug through. Now that won't fix it in this case, but it also tells you how to clean the other filter. So there really is no excuse, it's just laziness. People either don't look at the pictures, there's no language, there's no issue there. It's just a straightforward case of nobody's ever looked into it, oh, I didn't know it was there, and they blame the machine.
And yes, it can be embarrassing to suddenly find people who've emailed, tweeted and Instagrammed us this week have obviously had real worse perimenopausal symptoms. So what's the wise thing to do?
Physical symptoms, either of women who are terrified to talk about their symptoms at work because they're in the workplace. And in fact, yesterday, I was employed for 2 years because she had to leave her job. She's a professional woman. She's now in a terrible time. She's only really just worked out what's going on for her.
Education of women and employers, I suspect, because a lot of women to be shocked when these symptoms come on. They didn't know.
What population? You know, this is really simple. We speak about all sorts of things in school. We don't mention menopause, and I'm suggesting it should maybe be a 1 or 2 hour segment within PHSE classes or support education for our general practitioners. Because, and I absolutely accept that it's just
talking about it
and to inform them as well, so that they can set in place policies which will actually help women work within the workplace. They need to be acknowledged that it is a long-term health condition and age that it starts at 21, but the
first response is a little bit more explaining the compelling reasons for doing it.
staff and workforce because they go away and then they can very simple, but I think for the
I would agree, and I think.
So looking at this heat exchanger now, all of the passages are clear in both directions. Difficult to see, but I've gone through all of them with a little brush. And what I'll do now is clean up the rest of the machine. 9 times out of 10, if something's completely blocked and it's visibly blocked, that's your problem. To get this back in, just offer it up, slide it in, and lock it in place. And I'd say that would cure 9 out of 10 problems with a tumble dryer. So we get the rest of it cleaned out, make a nice job of this machine. If this video has helped you out, hit the like button. Thanks very much. You can also subscribe to the Boots Own channel. See you later.